It's this easy to install the Seedler IQ Indoor. A surface-mounted or flush-mounted frame is provided, as required for the installation. Take the installation frame and place it on a double device connection box. Depending on the model, feed either the data cable or the power supply wires through the opening in the installation frame. Next, use the supplied screws to attach the installation frame to the device connection box. For the PoE version, connect the IQ Indoor patch cable to the data line. For the Wi-Fi version, connect the power supply wires directly to the terminals on the IQ Indoor. Then simply snap the Indoor unit onto the installation frame. The IQ Indoor is now ready for commissioning with the Seedler IQ Config app.